Unit 4, D. Dialogue. The train station.
Hey, this train is late. I've been waiting here for ages.
Which train are you waiting for?
The 8:18 to Great Plains.
The 8:18? I'm afraid you made a mistake, sir.
A mistake? I take this train every day.
The train to Great Plains leaves at 8:08.
At 8:08? Where does it say that?
Right here. Train to Great Plains 8:08. They changed the schedule.
They changed it? I guess they changed it while I was away on vacation.
They changed the schedule at the end of April, sir. Today is 8th of May.
So the train isn't late. I'm late.